What do you do first then? You boil those potatoes?
Yeah, you boil them.
You boil them and then what do you
And then
shred them or something?
I have to get the yolks, the egg yolks, and the flour.
No, but how do they make them look like this?
Oh, with a shredder.
You shred them with like a cheese grater?
Yeah.
And then what do you do after that? You get egg yolk and flour?
You get 3 egg yolks and about a cup of flour and you start kneading.
You knead it?
Yeah.
I knead it once it's done. Scramble the yolks.
Put the salt in it.
Put some salt in it. Pour it into the grated potato hole. And then you sprinkle a cup or so of flour.
First is a cup. And then if you need a little more, you put a little more. And then you start mixing.
And is that the technical term for it?
Well, incorporating.
We're gonna start a business with the potatoes. And it's better to use your hands than to do this in a mixer, right?
Yeah, because then you won't have the consistency right. Give me some flour because my hands are dirty.
Oh, okay. I get some more flour. Alright. How much?
1 full.
Like that?
Yeah, you can do that and then put another one. Just
I'll just throw it on there.
yeah.
Are you gonna need more?
Yeah, put it a full one right here. Stand it up
On
there.
the side?
Yeah. Little by little it keeps going together, see?
Little by little, bit by bit.
Bit by bit. And then the dough starts to form, see? You start getting in form of a dough. You see it?
Yeah.
Yes,
So now you think it's ready?
just about. You need to knead it a little longer. Because the minute that it gets together, then it's gonna todavía pregunta.
So what was that? You poked a hole in it with your finger and then what does that tell you?
That if it needs a little more flour, you put it in.
What, because you poked it so
Because it
easily
doesn't,
or what?
yeah, you feel that the hole went in instead of the come
Well,
back.
it's always gonna go in as dough. What do
No,
you
but
mean?
look, it comes back. Do
Oh,
you
it comes
see it?
back. Oh, that's the part I wasn't understanding. So if it comes back, it means it's done?
Cuando está, sí. Oh, ya está suavecita.
What?
It's soft. It comes
Oh,
back.
it comes back. So,
Yeah.
that means it's ready.
It's ready, yeah.
You want it to bounce back like it did before, but you
Yeah.
don't want it to feel wet.
Yeah. Because the more that you mix it, see, now it's a dough. Before it was just a bunch of
Before it
potatoes.
was wanting to be dough.
Yeah.
Pseudo.
So look,
That was a joke, Mom. Pseudo.
look.
Yeah, well, you did this before. and it
Yeah,
still
but
worked.
you have to keep doing it until you see this. This is
Is it
done.
because it's living and it keeps changing?
Yeah. So now it's done. Now I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute when I put the water to cook.
Okay. So then you're just making it into sections.
Yeah, because I'm gonna roll them and then cut them for the gnocchi.
Oh, you roll them into like a long spiral and then you cut them into the
gnocchi.
pieces?
Yeah. And then you always put a little flour on top. Yeah. Okay. And then what I do is I use cloth. Sprinkle.
What? You sprinkle flour in the cloth?
Yeah, because you see.
So listen, you make them into the thing, but why did you put the flour here?
Because when they're small, I'm gonna dump them in there.
Oh, when you cut them into the pieces.
Yeah.
And this part's just all to sort of to taste or whatever, to like how you want them to be.
Yeah. And
You try to make it consistent, but you're just going off
yeah.
what you feel how big they should be.
And so then
Could you make one long gnocchi like that?
I guess you could, but they won't taste good.
Maybe like a foot-long gnocchi hot dog.
Use the flour so that they don't stick to each other. Now, if you want to be fancy, you just put a little thing in the middle like this.
But that's if you want to be fancy.
Yeah.
Do you
But
do
if
that
you-
to all of them?
Yeah, if you want to eat fast, then you don't do that. You normally go like this.
Well, what are we doing tonight? Are we just going to eat fast?
Yeah.
I don't see why you really need that little divot thing in there.
Because Grandpa did.
Yeah, that's because Grandpa
right.
did. That's right. And that's how I learned it. When I have company, I just do it this way. It's a lot easier. And then we can eat faster. Honey, do me a favor and give me a...
action shot of Felipe looking for his food because you can't see it.
Give me, honey,
Keep going, buddy.
the thing that I cooked. the
Keep
pasta.
going. You're almost there. You almost got it. Keep going. Buddy, it's right in front of you. Felipe. Here. Here, right here. Put your food right there. There you go. There you go. All right.
Well, it's pronounced
Well, it's gnocchi.
It's
Gnocchi.
It's Spanish.
With that
you have
voice.
an N with a little curly thing above it.
Oh.
Nya.
Oh.
And in Italian,
with
it's
a
the same
G.
sound, only just it's G.
Gee.
So that's your transportation device?
Yes, my transportation. Si no te quemas.
You got the bowl prepped here with the olive oil so they don't stick once they go in there.
Ahora, don't put too many, because if you put too many, they will clump together.
They will what together?
Click together.
Like clump?
Clump together.
You said cluck and then you said click and then you finally said clump.
Well, you know my English.
Even though this is a video on the gnocchi, what'd you do to the shrimp, like flavoring wise?
I put a little spice to it.
Yeah, but I mean, what spices? I know lemon zest and stuff.
Criollo.
Trio spices?
Yeah.
Just sort of whatever you had in the cabinet.
Yeah, that's normally the way I do it. I don't know.
So this water isn't raging, it's just sort of lightly boiling, right?
Yeah, it has to, otherwise they cook too fast and in the middle.
What, they'll cook too fast if it's going too hard?
Yeah, we need to move fast because the gnocchis are climbing up there.
Oh,
And then-
they're starting to float?
Yeah, and then we have to take them out.
You want me to get them out of there?
No todavía.
Not yet?
No.
You're speaking to me in Spanglish?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's a free country.
Then you take a little
At least it's supposed to be.
So the one is on southern way.
I think you could beat Bobby Flay if you didn't have the time constraint. They should do like a senior beat Bobby Flay where everybody gets like an extra half an hour per category.
They're already climbing up.
So that means you gotta take them out.
Yeah. You just have to marinate it. My shrimp is done. You
Simple
just
marinara this time, no
Yeah.
pesto.
No pesto. Yeah, I wonder how your dad's coming along.
With the steaks outside,
Yeah,
I'll go check.
these are done. I turn it off.
And then you got the green beans going too, right?
And it's not a nice salad.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little windy out here. All the steaks coming. Ooh. You know, the first thing somebody says when you're doing steaks is somebody will come up and criticize your fire. Oh, your fire's too hot there. Yep.
Let's put a little olive oil on top so they don't so then we can mix them and they don't stick to each other.
What do you think, Dad?
Wonder what the rich people are eating tonight.
Yeah. Can't do much better than this.